And how's it going, guys? Take care. And today, finally, we are uploading on the channel. I've been learning so much behind the scenes. That's why the upload schedule has been crazy. I said in the previous video I'm gonna be uploading more content, but I was still in the learning phase of what I was trying to do, so I was not really I was not in a position where I was truly comfortable with what I was doing. But now basically I'm ready to give you guys, the new journey, the new angle where we're gonna be introducing into this channel, or maybe this will grow into a new channel on its own. I'm just testing the waters to see how it goes. I feel like a lot of people are sharing content about this, and I feel like it's something that I feel can work, because there's a lot of information that is not great out there, so I'm just want to legitimize the industry a little bit, just to give you some advice, just to give you some just to show you that this can be done. And with that being said, I know this video does not constitute as financial advice, so do not take this video as financial advice, and you do your due diligence, do your own research. Is merely just for me to show you guys what can be possible. So basically what I've been doing is I've started Forex trading. Now I only started it because I was interested in Forex trading for some time now, and got some information, some right information, and then I started trading, started learning, made a few mistakes, but now I understand what I need to do, which strategies that I can use to make the most money. And I want to share with you guys that in the next coming few weeks. So this video is basically just an introduction to what is going to be on this channel for some time, for the next 1, 3, 4 months. I just want to do this content because I love this journey, how I've grown within that market in this short space of time, and hopefully now I'll be doing videos. I'm not so sure if I'm going to be uploading every single day, but I'm going to be uploading frequently when I see like a trading setup, or if I see something that is teachable or a teaching moment, I will sure to do a video on it and share it with you guys. I'll still answer your comments on the older videos that you are so much in love with, and you keep asking me about things that you keep asking me questions about those older videos. I'll still answer you guys. I just wanted to take this journey to understand, to grow myself as a person. Financial freedom is something that a lot of us struggle with in the sort of like online sort of industry, because everything is new. Everyone wants to do this, wants to do that. So if this video is helpful in a way that helps you to take that step, that'd be great. If it opens you up to a new avenue, if it shows you that probably this is what you like or this is what you don't like, I'll be glad to offer any help. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, man, I'll be doing more content for some time now as I grow, and then once I'm at the right position, and then I'll stop, because Forex is not a market that a lot of people love. Some people love it, some people don't. And once you get to a certain level, and then people now think that you're trying to show off, when you show off like what you're doing in that space of time, not understanding that there's a time period where you need to learn for you to get as good as the people that are at the top. Everything has a learning curve. Everything needs you to learn for some number of times. Some people learn for a month, some people learn for 2 months, 3 months, a year, and then they get it. It's all up to you in your journey on how to go about it. It's just for me now, just to give you guys the information, and if you like it, go with it. If you don't, hey man, there's many other people, there's many other choices in the industry that you can go for in terms of making money online. this is one of those videos. But this is an introduction to Forex trading. Join me in this journey and let's see where it takes us. This has been Isaac Tech. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.